DJ here. Today I'm bringing you guys a Hunger Games video. We are with Minigamer HGX, the only gamer, Arkman guy, my boy Jack. Oh, we just started. This is on the Xbox One, by the way. So, the Big B Stats only game, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, I'm just bringing you guys this video. Because I think you guys might be wanting this video, maybe. Oh, yeah, it's so hard to get chess. Alright, so this is the Big B Stats on the games. And all the channels will be in the description. Oh my god, this is... Okay, let's just do this. Let's just go over here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try and comment over here. So yeah, this is Big B Stats on the games. I said like a million times. But yeah, I'm giving you guys, this is the first Hunger Games video on my channel. Well, actually not my first one, but if you guys know, I restarted my channel. So this is episode 1, I guess. So I'm a big fan of Hunger Games. I really love that. That's like one of my favorite mini games. Well, not really a mini game, but one of my favorite game modes on Minecraft. Let's do this. Put on that helmet. We did a round before this, but I didn't record it. But this one, I guess I'm gonna record it. So yeah. Let's just get out of here a little bit now. So all the download links will be in the description. More info about if you guys want to download the map, just click the link in the description. It's gonna say more info about map, like the download link and stuff. So just click that link, and it will bring you to the video, and then you can download it. I'm gonna get away from that guy. I think he probably has a weapon. Let's try to probably go over there or something. I don't know. Get this chest. Oh my god, we have like a bunch of arrows. Yeah. What's in here? Fish? No, I don't need that. I think I might take it. All food is good. I'll always take food, guys. Stone sword. Yay. Finally, I can get it. Sword. Or we can like probably enchant it. Well, this map is pretty sick. Big B Stats, he's one of my favorite YouTubers. I really Holy shit! No way, silver sword. Silver sword, no way. I'm like stacked right here. Alright, I just want to find an enchantment table so we can enchant this. I'll get the cookies. Get the cookies. Maybe Stats love cookies. Stone sword. I'm gonna take that so nobody can have it. Alright. Carrots. Eat this cookie. Now attack player. So I'm gonna attack this guy. Kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy. Oh, sick. Alright, get this guy, get this loot, get this loot. Oh, there's another guy. Oh my god. Okay, put on this armor. Oh my god. I need to regen right now. Oh, still have swiftness, sick. Okay. Gotta regen. Oh my god, I have to regen. I need to run away right now. Oh my god, okay, we got a double kill right there. Double kill right there. Can't believe we got a double kill. Oh, there's a guy right there. I'm not gonna attack. I am not gonna. Oh! Oh, sorry about the red guy. I'm really sorry about the background, guys. Oh, there's two of you guys are teaming. Those two are teaming, wow. Oh, we gotta win right. I feel like they're gonna gang up on me. Let's get right there. Let's get right there. Please don't tell me. They're coming up for me. Alright, I'm just running. I'm just running away. I'm really. Oh my god, I think there's. I can't believe I got a double kill though. That was pretty sick. Speed up. There's light blue. There's purple about it. He's dead. Oh, Lord, a lucky guy. Seriously, man, what a lucky guy. There he is. Come on. Get him. Come on. Oh. I'm chasing him. Come. Oh, really? How many edibles does this guy have? Oh, Raz is gonna kill him. So he's okay. Oh, he tried to end the roll again, but he hit the ground too hard. It's so sad. There's a guy up there. Alright. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this. I might upload this today or tomorrow. Or Monday, maybe. Or today. I'll see. Oh, there's a guy right there. I don't want to attack because I think both of those guys are teaming. No, those two are dead. But the minigamer's right there. But I don't want to attack him. No, whatever. Let's go for the attack. Sneak. Okay, let's go on the other side and try to get him. And then another cat. Is he coming? Yeah, he's coming.
Really, nigga?
Why did he came here? Like, he know that I was here, but didn't he? Oh, he has swiftness. Okay, I need to have that too. Oh, nice. Okay, no, he's gonna be. He's actually. He's good with the ball. What do you know? He's pretty good with the ball. Okay, let's go to the tunnels. He's coming by over here. No, it's blue. Is blue even dead? No, it's minigamer. Let's just wait until he comes. Oh, I'm right here, minigamer. Yes!
Surprise, motherfucker!
Boom! Yes. No. No way. Who's that? Oh, there's a guy up there shooting arrows. What do you know? Oh, I'm running. Nope. What?
What the fuck?
What? What was that? What? What What the heck? What the heck was that? What? Oh my god, that was so stupid of me. Oh my god. No, what the heck was that? Dang you, Mini Gamer, dang you. Look, I was just running and he just teleported. He just teleports me up there. Anyway, whatever. I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, here's my stuff. No, anyways, actually, I'm dead. I can't come back to life. That's true. Oh, yikes. Easy game. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.